Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will install the tools and verify they work. First, get VS Code and the Microsoft C/C++ extension so you have language features. Then install a compiler, MinGWW64 on Windows or Clang/G++ on Mac OS and Linux. Once done, add the compiler bin folder to path and confirm with G++ version. This ensures VS Code can invoke the toolchain. Make sure to restart VS Code after path changes so the editor picks up the compiler immediately. You will now wire compilation and debugging into VS Code. Create a tasks, JSON that runs G++ with G to emit debug symbols, and an output file named $file basename, no extension. Then create a launch. JSON entry of type cppdbg that points program to your compiled executable and sets CWD. Make sure to choose the correct debugger backend, GDB on most systems or LLDB on Mac OS, and set my debugger path to the debugger binary. Once set, run the build task, then start the debugger from the run view. You will execute and verify your program in VS Code. Build the active file, set breakpoints, and press F5 to start debugging. Step, inspect variables, and watch expressions. If you hit linker errors, check include paths and library flags, add L and L as needed in tasks. JSON. If the debugger won't attach, make sure the debugger binary is in path, my debugger path points correctly, and you rebuilt with G. A quick fix is to restart VS Code and rerun the build to refresh settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.